Who should be the trustee of your trust? Recently, I did a video on who can be your personal representative or executor in the state of Florida, and the Florida statutes put out several restrictions on who can fill that role. However, in the trust world, it is a little more of an open field. You can choose anyone who you want who's over 18. They do not need to be a resident of the state of Florida unless they're a blood relative, so they can live anywhere. You can have your best friend in another state do it. You can have your attorney do it. There are professional fiduciaries who can take on that role. But what is the role? So similar to a personal representative, your successor trustee will gather up all of your assets, pay your creditors, and make sure that your estate pays all of its obligations, file your final tax return typically, file a final trust tax return, and then distribute the assets to your beneficiaries. So who would be a good person for that? It would be somebody who is good with math, who is honest and has a good work ethic, and can stay with the project start to finish, because oftentimes the task can get a little overwhelming. The trustees end up, not finishing the job, and then all the beneficiaries are pissed off and yelling about that they haven't got their inheritance. So my firm combats that a little bit by having a trustee assistance program where we can take trustees, whether they're our trusts or for other attorneys' trusts, and we can walk them through the steps and do most of the work and the accounting for them. And they just pay us for our time, because the trustees under most trust instruments do have the ability and the right to hire professionals to assist them in their trustee duties. So we offer that for our clients and for general members of the public who are trustees of other attorneys' work product. But oftentimes we just answer a few questions for the successor trustee and they're off to the races. We also offer seminars here at my office in Tampa where we talk to the trustees of our clients' trusts and explain to them what their role is, and let them know who we are, and give them kind of a checklist of things that will need to be done when the time comes that they take over that trusteeship. So you can pick anybody for your trustee. It doesn't need to be a Florida resident or direct family member. So it provides one more reason why trusts are better than wills. Have a great day.